soft plain white upma, fresh coconut chutney and a cup of strong filter coffee. Only those who know this combination can truly understand this feeling. Hello everyone, welcome back to HomePlateDelights. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and support the channel. Let's get started. I have taken 1 cup of upma rava. Other ingredients are ready. Let's start by roasting the rava. Roasting the rava is the most important step in this recipe. Make sure to roast it evenly on a medium-high flame. Be patient here, this is very important step and it makes all the difference. Keep stirring continuously so that it does not burn. After a few minutes you will start seeing a nice color and a beautiful aroma out of this. That means it is done. Transfer this into a plate, let it cool down. To make upma, here I am taking about 2 tablespoons of oil, quarter teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of urad dal, it gives a nice fragrance to the upma, 2 chopped green chilies. This upma is light sweeter version, so you do not need to add more chilies here, keep it mild. Few curry leaves. For 1 glass of upma, I am adding 2 glasses of water. Add salt as per your taste. Next I am adding a very important ingredient, half a tablespoon of sugar. It gives an extraordinary taste to upma. Don't miss this. The water is already started boiling nicely. Let's add rava. Carefully add the rava and keep stirring continuously. We need to be very quick in this process, otherwise it gets harder. Cover the lid, let it get settled down. After it stops spluttering, now I am adding half a cup of freshly grated coconut, chopped coriander leaves, and here you go, Karnataka special pure white plain upma. Can't wait to enjoy this. Let's serve it in a perfect hotel style. It is such a quick and easy recipe. I have not even added onion here, but still the taste wise it tastes so good. Enjoy this with special coconut chutney. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.